Why do we mulch our gardens? It's a great question, and today I'm going to explain why, show you all the different choices available, and how to apply them. We mulch our gardens to retain moisture. A mulched garden can actually retain up to 70% more moisture than an unmulched garden, saving you water, time, and money. Now, who doesn't love that? Mulch also has another huge benefit in that it reduces weeds by blocking the sunlight they need to germinate. This, in turn, helps your plants thrive as they don't have to compete with the weeds for water or nutrients. In addition, mulch slows down water runoff, allowing the water to better soak into the soil, keeping your plants hydrated for longer. Mulch also insulates the soil much like a blanket, keeping it warm in the cooler months and cool in the warmer months. Last but not least, mulch adds vital nutrients to the soil and improves the soil structure as it naturally breaks down. There are so many mulches to choose from, and which one you pick depends on the type of garden you mulch in, the look you want, and how much you want to spend. Some great examples of natural tree-based mulch are shredded pine, pine bark, hardwood chip, eucalyptus chip, and leaf litter. These mulches are great for large areas as they don't break down for 1 to 2 years, so they aren't too high maintenance. They can also be a really cost-effective option. With these types of mulch, you do have to be careful and make sure they're aged at least a few months first. If the mulch is too fresh, it will actually take nutrients from the soil rather than adding them in. If you're unsure, just ask your supplier and they should be able to help. Some good straw-based mulches are pea straw, lucerne, and sugarcane. These mulches are great for all gardens, but in particular, the veggie garden. They're so light and airy that they won't crush any of that softer foliage of your plants. These mulches are really easy to lay around smaller seedlings and they break down quickly, giving your soil some organic matter and a nutrient boost. You can also consider using organic matter you might already have to hand, like stable compost or mushroom compost. Now, just be aware, mushroom compost is on the alkaline side, so don't use it around any camellias, azaleas, rhododendrons, pieris, blueberries, or any other acid-loving plants. It can also change your hydrangeas from blue to pink. These types of mulch can be commercially or locally bagged, picked up at your nearest horse stable or soil yard, or even made yourself at home. They are perfect for perennial or flowering gardens and are fantastic for adding organic matter and nutrients to your soil. They will also improve the soil structure faster than other mulches. When mulching your gardens, there are a few rules that must be followed to avoid damaging your plants. Don't mulch any thicker than 60 millimeters. If your mulch is too thick, then it actually absorbs too much water and your soil can become dry underneath without you realizing. Even with the correct thickness of mulch, it's still a good idea to peel some back every now and then to check the soil is actually absorbing the water you are giving it. Don't mulch too high up against any plant or trunk, as it can cause collar rot and kill your plants pretty quickly. Leave a small gap for best results. Make sure you water the mulch in when you have finished laying it. This makes sure the mulch settles properly and washes off any that you may have accidentally spilt on the foliage. It will also give the soil some water to start retaining. I hope that helps you understand mulching and its benefits a little better. Now, all that's left to do is choose the mulch that's right for your garden, then get outside and get your hands dirty. If you enjoy getting out in the garden and want some more tips, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel up here, or go and watch another video just here.